Hello everyone, Gagwego Scano, Agijangwa, Gagwego, Johioaje, Otquinonyo. We've been wagering a fierce battle against the COVID pandemic for nearly a year. Our main weapon in this battle include testing, individual behavior, responsibility, information, and now, thankfully, the COVID vaccine. I'm glad to report that we continue to make impressive strides in these ever-important community-wide efforts. There have been 24 positive cases detected in our community over the past 14 days. This is an improvement from where we were even at the beginning of this week. Let's keep it up and continue to drive those numbers down. How do we do it? By continuing to wear our masks, practice social distancing, continuing regular hand washing, and limiting our personal interactions with others. Yes, we've been doing a great job with our numbers as they drop, but we cannot afford to get complacent. We've come too far and sacrificed far too much to stop now. It has been a long 10 months for all of us, and I'm proud of what our community has been able to do so far. I know we're strong enough to keep it going. The harder we work to stay responsible, the closer we get to what we all want, which is a return to life as it was pre-pandemic, socially and economically. We can get there if we stay steady in our efforts and keep our nation safe. This week we conducted 2 community testing events, and we have additional testing events scheduled through January. These events are scheduled on January 18th and 25th at Cattaraugus Fire, and on January 19th and 26th at the Allegheny DPW. Pre-registration, as always, is recommended. February testing dates will be announced very soon. There have been a number of developments related to the COVID vaccine in the news in the past several days. Here at home, we continue to make great progress with our phased distribution plan, with approximately 550 doses of the vaccine administered by our health system through the end of this week. We're getting people vaccinated quickly and as effectively as possible, and we will soon have additional vaccine doses on the way to boost our efforts. Our plan calls for our health teams to reach out to individuals directly to schedule their vaccine appointments. This is the process we must continue to follow to ensure a thorough and coordinated vaccination effort. It's important to note that with the state criteria expanding to include individuals aged 65 and over, there may be alternative locations for those within our community who meet their criteria to receive the vaccine. If you are interested in possibly receiving the vaccine through New York State, they've posted a complete listing of Western New York vaccine providers online. The link to the provider list was recently shared on the Seneca Media Facebook page. You can also call the New York State Vaccine Hotline at 1-833-697-4829 for appointment information. In terms of our nation vaccination plan, again, we will continue to reach out to individuals to schedule vaccination appointments and get our vaccine allocations into our people as quickly as we can. I must thank our health systems and everyone involved for their amazing work. This past Wednesday, we held our first virtual information session related to COVID and the vaccine. Again, thanks to everyone who participated. We will continue to hold these weekly sessions every Wednesday from 3 to 5 to help keep our community informed and answer important questions regarding COVID and the vaccine. Registration is required. To register, enrolled Nation members, please send an email to sngotome@sni.org with your name, enrollment ID number, and a phone number. You can put COVID vaccine update and the date of the meeting which you wish to attend in the subject line. This information is posted on the Seneca Media Facebook page as well. We look forward to your participation. Just a reminder that you can also follow the Seneca Nation on Twitter for important information and updates. Our Twitter handle is @the Seneca Nation. Please follow us. Finally, earlier this week, the nation has lost a longtime friend in Mr. Joe Crangle. Mr. Crangle was an advisor, legal counsel, and friend to the nation for many years. He worked closely with Seneca presidents and counselors to make sure that our concerns and our voices were heard. That included many of our nation's battles against illegal taxation. His support and guidance carried great significance, particularly in the halls of government. Our nation extends our condolences to Mr. Crangle's family on their loss. As we finish another week, I hope everyone enjoys a safe and happy weekend. And if you happen to be watching a certain game Saturday around 8:15-ish, I'm with you and cheering. Let's go, Buffalo. Stay safe, stay strong. Donnie Hoodie 8.